Ready to get Fuel Up to Play 60 going at your school? Just follow the 6 steps. They're easy, and you can do what works best for your school. Step 1, join the league. Go to fueluptoplay60.com, register on the website, and consider signing up as a program advisor. It's an awesome role to play, and there are perks and rewards available only to program advisors. Step 2, build teams and draft players. Encourage your students to join. Form a team and work together to create healthy changes in your school. Step 3, Kickoff. To get your school excited about Fuel Up to Play 60, host a fun event like a healthy tailgate party or family food and fitness day. Step 4, survey the field. This is where you'll find the school wellness investigation, an online tool that helps you identify healthy eating and physical activity opportunities that already exist in your school and target areas where your school can improve. Step number 5, it's game time. This is where everything you've done so far comes together in 2 types of plays: healthy eating plays and physical activity plays. These plays are designed to get students active in eating nutrient-rich foods. Step 6, light up the scoreboard. Let your entire community know what you've done. You have achieved Step 6 when you report campaign participation or submit a Fuel Up to Play success story on fueluptoplay60.com. Once each step is completed, program advisors should go to their dashboard to check it off. Some steps are checked off automatically. Each time your school completes a step, you can earn rewards. Follow the 6 steps and watch Fuel Up to Play 60 transform your school.